Mm-hmm.
Mom, see the dark? Mom.
I do.
Do it to the dark. Do it to the dark, Mommy.
I don't want to do it to the dark, then you can't see anything in the dark. But you can see all
Oh wait, what about
the
sparkles?
things.
Sparkles.
I'll do some sparkles. There's our buddy Sparkles. He's hanging right now. He's very strange.
Is he hurt?
No, I think he's okay. He's kind of flexible. He'll fly up to the North Pole again.
Not yet. Not
Tonight.
Today. Not tonight.
No?
Oh, it looks so pretty.
Night tree.